Now let us look for the next experiment on transformers. So that is Scott connection of transformers. Clear? So the main purpose of this Scott connection of transformer is to convert three-phase to two-phase supply systems. Or even if you have a two-phase supply, you can also get three-phase conversion. But here we are going to convert a three-phase supply to two-phase supply systems. So where we need to go for having two transformers here. One transformer is known as main transformer and the other one is the teaser transformer. So this is entire transformer setup. So before going to the connections, so let us see the circuit diagram for this one. So the circuit diagram is shown here. So there is a three-phase supply. The three-phase input voltage is 400 volts, 50 Hz three-phase AC supply, and you are going to take three currents, that is 3 ammeters in the lines. So you can imagine this as L1, L2. Sorry, these are the three lines L1, L2, L3. In each line you are going to have an ammeter and a voltmeter is connected between the two lines. Here also you can see here another voltmeter is connected. Sorry, wattmeter is connected between the phase between the lines L3 and L2. So like that you are going to take two wattmeters, W1 and W2. So the purpose of these wattmeters is to measure the total input power. And there are two transformers here. This is teaser transformer, and just for the present I am taking TT, and this one is main transformer, MT, nothing but main transformer. See here, for the teaser transformer you are going to consider only 86.6% of the turns, and for the main transformer you are going to take on both sides 100% of the turns. For the teaser transformer secondary is this one, and main transformer secondary is this one. So coming to this connections here, already I said 3 ammeters are connected in 3 lines. Ammeter other end, that is other end is connected to current coil ML, and MC should be short circuited. This is the potential coil connected between the line L1 and L2. Similarly, another wattmeter connection is given here, current IC. Ammeter other end is connected to ML, that is current coil. CV is connected here across the lines L3 and L2. So these two meters gives you wattmeters gives you the total power measurement, and the L terminal of this wattmeter is connected to 86.6 of the teaser transformer. You have to be very careful for that. Clear? The other end of the teaser transformer, that is a 0 terminal, is connected to 50% of the turns of the main transformer primary side. This is main transformer primary side. This is teaser transformer primary side. Primary side of teaser transformer, please do remember 86.6 of the turns is to be considered, and the other end of the teaser transformer is connected to 50% of main transformer. Now the second terminal L2 is connected to ammeter common, then ammeter other end connected to 0% of the main transformer, and V connection of two wattmeters are joined together and then connected to 0% of main transformer. And the third terminal taken from the supply is given to ammeter common terminal, ammeter other end given to M, and then L is connected to 100%. That is all the turns are included in the primary of main transformer. That's about what the primary side connection of ammeters as well as wattmeters in Scott connection of transformers. Coming to the secondary side, for the main transformer, the voltage rating is 0 to 230 volts only, and these are the two voltmeter and ammeter. Ammeter common, voltmeter common is connected to 0, and ammeter other end, load other end connected to 230 volts. Ammeter other end of that is connected to the load. Similarly, for the secondary of main transformer is also connected like this. Common terminal of voltmeter V2 and ammeter A2 is connected to 230 volts, and ammeter other end terminal is connected to the load, and load other end connected to 0 volts of the secondary of main transformer. Similarly, the other terminal of V2 is also connected here. This is how the connections of Scott connection of transformers are considered. The reason for considering 86.6 already you might have studied in Scott connection theory concept. So I request you to go through the theoretical aspects of Scott connection of transformer. There you will be getting the reason for getting 86.6% only. That's clear. That's about what connections of transformer. Coming to the nameplate details. So it is already mentioned here. Capacity of the transformer is 2 kVA. Primary voltage is 400, secondary side 230 volts. Is it clear? So inside this you are going to consider two transformers. For each transformer rating is that one. 400 volts, 230 volts. Clear? So now coming to the connections. So before going for connections, the nameplate details. From the nameplate details, you have to decide the rating of ammeters, wattmeters and voltmeters. So considering the primary side of the both transformers, the ammeter rating is considered as 0 to 5 amperes. Why it is considered as 0 to 5 amperes range only? It is already known that from the nameplate details, the capacity is 2 kVA and the primary voltage is what? 400 volts. Therefore, what about current rating? Full load current rating is capacity divided by voltage rating. So 2000 divided by 400. If you take, it will be 5 amperes. Therefore, the range of this ammeter should be 5 amperes, and of course fuse ratings will be same as that of ammeter ratings. And of course this is an AC experiment covered. Definitely you need to consider MI type of instruments. And what about wattmeter rating? So see here, current coil rating is 5 amperes and voltage coil rating is actually, it should be 400 volts. So wattmeter ratings are decided based on the voltage rating and the current rating as well as type of wattmeter. Voltage rating, 400 volts is the input supply given. Therefore, nearest voltage rating of this one will be either 500 volts or 600 volts you can consider. And of course, current rating based on this ammeter you will decide. But type of meter you need to decide whether it is operated on load condition or no load. Since these two machines, this experiment is conducted under load condition, definitely you need to consider unity power factor, because as the load on the transformers is increasing, power factor will be increasing. So definitely unity power factor wattmeters to be considered. And of course wattmeters are of electrodynamometer type. This is about what? Ratings of ammeters and wattmeters on primary side. Coming to secondary side, already we know the rating of secondary side winding is 0 to 230. Therefore the voltmeter rating will be 0 to 300. Similarly, current rating of secondary side is 2000 divided by 230. If you get, so that will be 2000 divided by 230. This is secondary side current, that is equal to 8.6 amperes. Hence the rating of this ammeter will be 0 to 2 amperes. And of course type of 0 to 10 amperes. So of course type of instrument used is moving iron. Similarly, the current voltmeter and ammeter rating of other side of, that is secondary of main transformer, is also same, 0 to 300 and 0 to 10 amperes. After deciding the ratings of ammeters and wattmeters as well as voltmeters, then we go for connections of Scott connection of transformer. So here, this is what the input terminals. See here, this is input terminal L1, L2 and L3. These are the three lines. From L1, it is connected to common terminal of first ammeter as shown in the diagram. And second ammeter connection is shown. This is given to wattmeter M of first one, wattmeter. This is M and this is common terminal. So it is given to M. MC should be short circuited. And L of this wattmeter is to be connected to 86.6 turns. See here, this is 86.6 turns of the TZ transformer. So T means TZ transformer is included here. Please do, you have to remember even the circuit diagram also. Okay. Now that is about L1 connections. Coming to L2, if you see, from L2 again it is connected to the second ammeter, common terminal. Ammeter other end, it should be connected to, actually it should be connected to 0% of main transformer. See here, this is 0%. You see here, 0% of main transformer. How it is connected? See here, other ammeter other end is connected first. See here, wattmeter V of W1 and W2, 2 wattmeters. If you see here, these are the two connections. They are connected to ammeter, and from this wattmeter V, you just observe it is connected to 0 terminal. So you can also connect like this. 2 wattmeter V's are connected to ammeter and one terminal of V is connected to 0. Even that also works out perfectly. So that's about what? L2 terminal. Is it clear? So you see here, as I said, second ammeter is this one. This is connected to 0%, wattmeter V and wattmeter V of 2 wattmeters. They are connected to ammeter, and then it is connected to 0% as shown here. Next, coming to the third line, from the line L3, it is connected to the third ammeter as shown here. Other end of this terminal, that is ammeter, is connected to M of the second wattmeter, and MC is shorted. L of the second wattmeter is connected to 100% of the main transformer, 100% turns. See here, it is 100% turns, and you can observe L is connected to 100% of the main primary of main transformer. Now see here, 0 of this teaser transformer and 50% of main transformer, both should be connected. This is 0 of the teaser transformer and 50% of main transformer. These two are shorted. That's about what? The primary side of Scott connection of transformers. Coming to the secondary side, see here, first transformer, let us consider. You just observe, this is first transformer, teaser side transformer, and you just observe wattmeter, voltmeter common and ammeter common. These two are connected here. Voltmeter common and ammeter common are connected to phase of this one. The other end of this ammeter, if you take, it is connected to the load. These are the two loads, single phase load of teaser transformer, and similarly single phase load of teaser transformer, main transformer. So ammeter of other end of ammeter is connected to 0 terminal of load, and other load terminal is connected to the neutral. And what voltmeter second terminal is also connected to the neutral. So this is what the secondary side of teaser transformer connections. Coming to the primary side, please observe primary side, voltmeter common and ammeter common. These two are connected to one terminal of secondary. You can consider this as phase. And ammeter other end of the main transformer, secondary side, is connected to the load. See here, this is the load starting terminal. Load other end terminal is connected to the neutral of secondary. Similarly, voltmeter. So this is about what? The secondary side of main transformer circuit. So we have, once if the connections are as shown here, you must observe even the multiplying factor of 2 wattmeters. This is very important. As I said that there are two types of ratings in the wattmeters. One is here 5 amps current rating and 10 amps current rating. If you connect B1 and E1, so B1 and E2, B2 and E1 as shown in this way, it appears to be like that of a parallel connection. This is for full current rating, 10 amps rating. Instead, if you connect these two terminals, B1, B2 only, then it is for 5 amperes. Since we are using 0 to 10 amps range, definitely this should be at, as shown in this diagram, parallel connection. Now this is at 10 amps. So what is the voltage rating here? 600. Current rating 10 amps. So if I want to take multiplying factor, factor of voltmeter will be wattmeter VI cos phi divided by full scale deflection of wattmeter. See here, what is the voltage rating here? 600. Current rating 10 amperes. What type of wattmeter we have taken? Unity power factor. Therefore, you can write 600 into current rating 10 into unity power factor cos phi is equal to 1 divided by full scale deflection is, if you see, it is 750. So if you take it here, 6000 divided by 750, you will be getting 8. So whatever the wattmeter rating that you get here, it should be multiplied with 8, then only you will be getting wattmeter. In a similar way, even you have to calculate for the second wattmeter also. So this is very important. The reading that is obtained from here, it should be multiplied with 8. So once if you know how to find all these connections, how to give all the connections, then we go for conduction of experiment. We will show you for 2 readings how to conduct that experiment, and then you have to perform all the calculations for all the other readings. So now here, after checking all the connections thoroughly, you have to be very careful between the teaser and main transformer connections. Before that, please see the readings of the load rating should be 0 initially, and it should be in off position. So we have to ensure load should be 0. After that, start giving the supply and check whether you are getting the supply voltage or not. So secondary side you can observe that. See, the deflection of voltmeters gives you, okay, there is supply to the primary as well as even to the secondary. Now we have to note down the no load readings first. No load readings. So from primary side, first note down the currents I1, I2, I3. Since it is no load, all the three currents will be 0. Primary side. Is it clear? And the wattmeter ratings. So one is 0, the other one is very less. You can take approximately 10 watts. Already I said the readings of this wattmeter should be multiplied with 8 with multiplying factor. Is it clear? Primary side ratings, okay. Next, secondary side ratings, you please observe. No load means currents will be 0 in both the ammeters. So here it is 0, and voltmeter ratings are 250 volts. 250 volts, secondary side. A little bit higher voltage we are going to get. 250. Just I am showing you how to get the readings in the form of what? A tabular column. Once if it is done, then turn on the load. See here, the load switch should be turned on both sides. See here, on secondary side also load is turned on. And first you need to take the readings for balanced load conditions. When we say that balanced load condition, in both the ammeters you need to turn on same load and see that ammeter rating should be on the second ammeter reading should be same. This is 1 ampere, and here also it should be 1 ampere. Okay, let it be. So it is 2 amperes. It is also almost 2 amperes. So like this, you need to consider for balanced load condition. That means the two loads should be turned on in such a way that secondary side of teaser ammeter and main transformer ammeter should read same. Then only we say that the balanced load. Is it clear? So like this, for balanced load conditions you have to note down. The voltage rating is teaser side, it is 243 volts, 242 sorry, and of course main transformer also 242, and primary side current rating of first ammeter is 1.2, I2 is 1.5, and it is 1.2 third ammeter. W1 rating is 70 into 8, and this is 60 into 8, W2. Is that clear? That is first rating. Similarly, go for another load, turn on another load, and see that in both the cases the ammeters, see here it is teaser transformer secondary side ammeter is 4 amperes, and main transformer secondary side is also almost 4.1. Both are almost same. You can take 4.1 amperes now. Clear? And also voltage rating 241, 241. And coming to the primary side, I1 rating 2.7, I1 current reading, and I2 reading 2.9, I3 reading 2.6 amperes, and W1 rating 135 W1, and it is 130 W2. So like that, for balanced readings you have to take and you have to tabulate as shown here. Is it clear? And you have to take the readings up to the rated values of secondary side. Secondary side rated current is entandi as calculated here, 8.6 amperes on secondary side, and you have to ensure even in the primary side also the current rating should be 5 amperes. So up to 5 amperes on primary side and up to 8.6 amperes on secondary side until you get vary the loads and note down the readings as shown here for the balanced condition. So the first one is for the balanced load conditions. If you observe, IA, IB, IC almost all are same. So therefore we will be getting balanced load calculations as shown here. So find out the efficiency of this transformer. Similarly, for unbalanced load, it's very simple. Turn on load 1 separately and load 2 separately. You have to see that the ammeter should be on secondary side of two transformers should be different. So that means primary side, secondary of primary side main transformer, secondary side of main transformer should read a value different to that of secondary side of T-gen transformer. So like that you have to maintain two different readings. So different readings in that ammeter, and then note down all the values of transformer as shown here. So this gives you what? For unbalanced load conditions. If you see here, currents I1 is 1 ampere, IB is 0.5 and IC is 1. So all are different. Unbalanced loads you can consider. So for unbalanced loads also you have to find out the efficiencies. This is how the tabulation of the parameters. And calculation is very simple. Input power to this one is what? Summation of these two wattmeters, W1 plus W2. That is input power. Output power is, we know for the primary for T-gen transformer, primary side is V1 I1, that is output power, and for the main transformer the power is what? V2 and I2. So add these two, that will be getting output power of the entire set. So efficiency equal to output by input into 100. That gives you efficiency. Once if you get efficiencies of both the transformers, then you have to draw a graph between efficiency and the output current. So like that, so you will be getting the curves as shown here. Balanced loads, it will be a little bit higher than that of unbalanced load condition. So that's about what? Performance, that is conducting an experiment on Scott connection of transformers and then conversion. You may get a doubt. As I said in the beginning, the three-phase supply is converted to two-phase. I have shown already, primary side you are going to have three-phase, but secondary side you can see here we have a two single-phase loads. So this is one single phase and this is one single phase. So like that you are going to convert that three-phase to two-phase conversion of power. This is about what? Scott connection of transformers. Thank you very much.